Are you tired of spending hours trying to write the perfect email? Are you struggling to write emails that get opened and links clicked for sales? It's frustrating and can leave you feeling defeated. Are you fed up with using the same cookie-cutter boring copy and paste sales messages that fail to resonate with your audience? Don't give up hope just yet. Say farewell to writer's block and embrace digital AI solutions for targeted sales and the email process. Those hours are now reduced to a few seconds. Our personalized sales and email messages are tailored to each character trait of your potential customers or clients for effective communication. You'll have an endless supply of targeted prospects to connect with specific to your business. Now more than ever, it is crucial to have a professional online presence for your business. That includes your sales and email messaging. Our AI all-in-one platform and features give you that advantage over your competition. It's time to simplify your life and skyrocket your business with AI solutions. Click the link below or contact Yvonne. Share your business needs and goals. Let's discuss AI solutions for your online business prosperity.